Welcome to Adventure Vault, where we unlock the world's most incredible experiences. Today, we're diving into a country that's equal parts futuristic and timeless, chaotic and serene, Japan. But here's the thing, Japan isn't just a destination, it's an adventure waiting to be unlocked. And if you don't know these 10 must-do experiences, you might just miss out on the trip of a lifetime. Ready to explore? Let's go! First stop, Tokyo. This city is like stepping into the future while still holding on to its past. Shibuya Crossing will blow your mind, it's the busiest intersection on the planet. And if you're into gaming or anime, Akihabara is your paradise. Oh, and don't even get me started on Shinjuku's nightlife. Tokyo is a vibe you won't forget. Next, we're heading to Kyoto to unlock one of Japan's most iconic adventures, the Fushimi Inari Shrine. Thousands of bright red torii gates create a path that feels like it's straight out of a fantasy movie. Pro tip, go early, beat the crowds, and let the magic of this place sink in. Here's one for the bold, onsens, or natural hot springs. Whether it's in the snowy mountains of Hokkaido or the countryside of Hakone, soaking in an onsen is the ultimate way to unwind. Just remember, it's traditional to go au naturel. Adventure Vault tip, confidence is key. Calling all foodies. Japan is a culinary wonderland. From melting your mouth sushi at Tsukiji Market to steaming bowls of ramen and fluffy takoyaki balls, your taste buds are in for a ride. And don't even think about skipping matcha-flavored everything, yes, even matcha Kit Kats. Time to slow down and unlock a piece of Japanese culture. A traditional tea ceremony isn't just about drinking tea, it's a meditative experience that'll leave you feeling zen. Plus, you'll learn why every movement in Japan is an art form. Adventure Vault rule number 1, always chase the iconic views. And in Japan, that means Mount Fuji. Whether you see it from Lake Kawaguchiko or hike part of the way up, this majestic volcano is a bucket list moment waiting to happen. All aboard the Shinkansen. Japan's bullet train isn't just a way to get around, it's an experience. Traveling at over 300 kilometers per hour, you'll feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Plus, the views of the countryside? Absolutely unreal. Here's a moment to pause and reflect. Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park is a powerful reminder of the past and a hope for the future. It's a deeply moving experience that'll stay with you long after you leave. Ready to unlock the ultimate Japanese sleepover? Stay in a ryokan, a traditional inn where you'll sleep on tatami mats and feast on a kaiseki meal. It's like stepping back in time, but with all the comfort you need. Last but definitely not least, if you're visiting in spring, you have to witness the cherry blossoms. Parks like Ueno in Tokyo and Maruyama in Kyoto transform into pink wonderlands. It's pure magic, and the perfect way to end your Japanese adventure. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable adventures to unlock in Japan. From the neon streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, Japan is a country that'll leave you breathless. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, hit that subscribe button, and join us at Adventure Vault as we keep exploring the world's most incredible destinations. Don't forget to like, comment, and let us know which adventure you're adding to your bucket list. Until next time, keep adventuring.
Like and subscribe to Adventure Vault. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.